Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Bitbucket for automated AI testing. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to your Bitbucket account in your web browser. Log in with your credentials if you are not already signed in. Once logged in, go to your account settings. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Personal Settings. Scroll down to find App Passwords. Click on the Create App Password button. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your password. Enter a descriptive name, such as Automated AI Testing. Below the name, select the permissions you will need. For automated testing, consider enabling repository read and repository write. You may also want to grant pull requests. After selecting the necessary permissions, click Create. Your new app password will be displayed. Make sure to copy this password and store it securely. You will not be able to see it again once you close the dialog. Now, open your automated AI testing tool or framework. Locate the authentication section of the tool's configuration. Input your Bitbucket username in the designated field. In the password field, paste the app password you created earlier. Save your changes in the configuration settings. Run a test to ensure the authentication is successful. Monitor the logs to verify that the automated testing interacts with your Bitbucket repository correctly. That concludes the authentication process for automated AI testing with Bitbucket. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.